Where we going, Dee?
Amsterdam.
Well, there we go. We finally arrived here at Camping Zeeburg in Amsterdam. Quite a long journey, but we're all set up. So we're just going to get a quick bite to eat, have a relax, because it was a long journey. We only stopped once, and that was just for a little rest break. But we're going to get up bright and early in the morning and then go and have an explore of Amsterdam. So what happened this morning, Dee? Where did I have to go?
Bike repair shop.
Bike repair shop, because somebody got a puncture, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a mission. Thankfully there was one not so far away, about 6 minutes, and I suppose in Amsterdam there's one on every street corner. Well, let's get that sorted. Back, put the new inner tube back into the wheel, and then we can go for another ride tonight, yeah?
Yep.
Alright guys, catch you in a bit. Hi guys, hope you liked our tour around Amsterdam. We did 100 miles on the bikes, and that's not including the walking that we had to do with Denise getting a puncture and then one of her brake cables snapping. But hey ho, all the fun. So when in Amsterdam, it'd be cheeky not to pop into an Irish pub. So we just popped into Arran pub just before we go on a little boat cruise, and the boat cruise is just going to be behind us. Okay, so we're on the boat. We was given earphones on the boat, so obviously we're going to get a bit of a spoken tour. Absolutely fantastic getting on. There's a hydraulic lift, so ramp onto a hydraulic lift as you've seen, and then straight down onto the boat, and we're going to have a tour around Amsterdam. Well, absolutely fantastic, guys. Don't know if you can hear me over the engine, but what a boat trip. Brilliant accessibility with a wheelchair lift on board, and the crew were very helpful. Captain helped in his son, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. It was €45 for the two of us, and the tours took us about an hour, so not badly priced. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, click the bell, all the notifications, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.